What's up, masters? Namaste. My name is Prince Aryan and I'm from class 6. Today in this toppers science video, I'm going to discuss something about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So this is a science topic. This is quite important if you have to give any kind of competitive science exams. Be sure to watch this video till the end. So let's start our topic titled What is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse? So let's start our today's video. First, let us learn about the solar eclipse. Now, these are very easy topics. I hope you will learn that. So now here I am showing you an image of solar eclipse. Now, what is happening in this image? In this image, basically, here is our sun and our earth present, also including our moon. Now, over here you can see some blue rays coming from the sun. The lightest ray, you can see the lightest blue ray, you can see is the light and heat energy coming from the sun. The lightest, okay, the lightest blue color you can see. Okay, now nextly what you can see is the next light color, means a little darker than our previous color, which is the ray coming from the sun and hits the moon. Okay, now you can see a bit darker than that, the dark blue, the darkest blue. Now this is the heat and energy that is coming from the sun towards the whole earth. Okay, now we have completed our blue section. Now let's go to the black section. You can see after the moon there is a black section where there is a light black. Now what is light black? This is the reflection or the reflection of the moon towards the earth. Means what is happening, I'm just understanding you, is now at the light area, the portion of area it is covering. Okay, the portion of area it is covering, at that point the moon is visible including the sun. Now let me just take out this image and just put an image like that. Okay, now you can see in this image there is a black huge ball and at the back there is a ring of fire or a red color. So the ring of fire which you can see is the sun, and then we have the black portion is our what? It is our moon. So now the sun is also visible, the moon is also visible. Now the picture which you can see where the moon has covered the most of the portion of the sun is known as what? It is solar eclipse. Now also most of you will ask me that also with the light black color we have an darker portion of the black color, the darkest black color. Now what is the portion that? What's the portion that? So that is basically, now again I'm showing you another picture. Let me just take out this picture and put another. Now here you can see another picture. So this pictures in here you can see a huge ball has covered whole the sun. No portion of the sun is visible. So this is the condition which people can see from this darkest place. Okay, this is the portion which people can see from the projection of the darkest black color. Now after this you can also see some names written. Now here in the earth you can see a bent line. Okay, it is written the earth's orbit. Okay, this is the earth's orbit around the sun. Now around the earth there is a dotted line, so curved dotted line. Now this is the orbit of the moon, and over there you can see the sun. Now here you can see the darkest color, the darkest black color. Here a line is connected to it and it is written that total eclipse. Now this thing you must keep in mind. I have just forgotten to say this. Now please concentrate on the board. Now let me just take out this picture. The solar eclipse is divided into two main parts. The first part is total solar eclipse. Second part is divided into partial. Partial solar eclipse. So these two are the parts of the solar eclipse. Now the first picture that I have shown you of the solar eclipse, that's a partial solar eclipse. Now the second picture that I have shown you is the total solar eclipse. Understood? Okay. Now let us go to the blue parts. Now the blue parts you can see here. Okay, these are the light from the sun. And another point related to this black, the darkest point where the projection of the people is the most down, or where the people can see the total eclipse, total solar eclipse. That place is known as umbra. UMBRA, umbra. Then the light black color in which people can see partial solar eclipse is known as penumbra. Okay, penumbra. Understood? Now I hope you have understood the solar eclipse. Come to the lunar eclipse. Now here you can see another figure in your whiteboard. So now this figure is known as the lunar eclipse. In lunar eclipse, the opposite happens. In solar eclipse, in the daytime we cannot see the sun, but in lunar eclipse at the night time we cannot see the moon. Okay, so how this happens? This happens because the light, what happens is the earth comes between the sun and the moon, which which do not allow us to just see the moon. All the light that was coming from the sun and was hitting the moon is now being stopped by the earth, and that is why you can see in this figure the blue portion after the earth's orbit is not there because the light is not going there, and that is why we cannot see the moon. This is lunar eclipse, and explaining lunar eclipse was very easy than solar eclipse. So friends, I hope you understood the lunar eclipse and solar eclipse concept. Okay, so friends, I hope you understood today's concept, and for such more fun and amazing videos, be sure to subscribe my channel, like, and also share your thoughts in this channel only. Bye. I'll see you in the next video with the master science topic, or also maths, English and other subjects.